Hi, this is Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland, and we are doing the July Stitch Fix unboxing and review video. I am so excited. We are spending the summer here in the Pacific Northwest. We'll be by the water a lot, and so for this box I asked for things that kind of felt like Cape Cod, Nantucket, like that cute coastal kind of vibe. Anything that's maybe like blues and whites. Anything that's just going to remind me of a beautiful Pacific Northwest, like beachy kind of summer, because we're kind of doing a staycation this year. Usually we're out and about traveling, but this year we are sticking close to home, and I'm excited about that. It's a nice change of pace for us. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment below any items that you like or didn't like in my July Stitch Fix box. And if you'd like to try Stitch Fix for the first time, sign up using my link because you get $25 off of your first box, which is great because it can go towards the styling fees and everything. Okay, let's get started. Let's see what's inside my July Stitch Fix box. Okay. I'm excited. All right, well, when we're talking about the blues and white colors, here, this is so nice. Here is a nice, gosh, it's just so soft. It's a button-down shirt from Max Studio. You can kind of see it's a full button-down. The sleeves right now are rolled up, but it's got, gosh, it's so soft. I can't get over it. It's kind of like that, it would be good as a beach cover-up, or paired with maybe like white pants, which I have, for that kind of look. But I really like it. It's so soft. So I can't wait to try this one on. Let's see what else is there. Okay, here is, I'm guessing shorts that are a floral print, and they are kind of like a periwinkle gray color. Here are the shorts. But these, I like the length of them. They don't seem like they would be too short. I'm just starting to wear shorts again because I'm more comfortable with kids. But I don't like them to be too short because it makes me uncomfortable when I wear them out and about. But these are cute. It's something I probably wouldn't have picked out on my own, but I'm excited to try them on. And I think I'm most excited because I finally updated my sizing on Stitch Fix. So they know, so hopefully the pants are going to fit a little bit better. The shorts will fit a little bit better. Here are some denim shorts from Dear John, and I believe I've gotten this brand before, but here are the shorts. They're cute and they're rolled up. These ones seem like they might be a tiny bit short. I'm not going to know until I try them on, but they kind of seem like they might be, so we'll see. Okay, ooh, this is also super soft. Okay, this is, ooh, Lily Pulitzer. I like Lily Pulitzer stuff. Let's see. Okay, here is, okay, it is a long-sleeved dress, and it's got, if you can kind of see the little gold gold details by the drawstring, kind of give it a super big nautical theme. But this is so soft. This would be great for evening times, and it would be good, I think, you could put it over a swimsuit. Or you could even pair it with leggings and kind of just use it as loungewear inside, just hanging out and doing errands. But gosh, it is so soft. I'm loving this box. Super cute. Ooh, okay. And then this is I think this is the last item. I feel like there's one, two, oh, okay, there is 5 items. I kept thinking maybe this is only 4 items. Okay, here is, I'm guessing, let's see, how does this work? This is a Skies Are Blue dress, and this is super cute too. It's kind of hard to see. It is, it's white with kind of like a, I don't know, what do you call that? Like crochet kind of detail. And it is a full maxi, and then it's got the same little, the detail along the sides kind of partway through. But it is, it's one that would be difficult to wear a normal bra with. This is the back. so you can kind of see that it's open. So I would definitely need to wear probably a strapless bra with it, but I'll have to see when I try it on. But yeah, I'm really excited. This is definitely very coastal, very nautical. This is exactly the type of vibe that I was looking for. So my stylist did a really good job. All right, let's go try it on. All right, so I am wearing the blue and white striped shirt, and I love it. I just love how soft it is. It's lightweight. It just feels very coastal to me, and I'm digging it. I like the length of it. So you can see here's the top, here's the bottom of it. I like how it comes kind of right below the booty, so it kind of covers everything up. So I feel like I could wear a swimsuit and have this be a cover up because it's just long enough that it would be appropriate. And I could also tuck it in a little bit. I'm wearing jeans right now, but I could probably tuck it in a little bit. I could tie it. I could kind of make it a little bit shorter so it would work out and about a lot too. This would be really cute paired with, I've got some white capri pants that I think would look really nice with this. I could wear it over maxi dresses. I could wear it over tank tops. Just seems super versatile. And I just like it. It's just like that little bit of layer. You know, like when it's really warm out and you don't want to wear a lot of layers, but like my skin's really sensitive to the sun, especially lately. And so I feel like this would be a good way to kind of cover up a little bit if my shoulders are already sunburned or my arms are sunburned, just to kind of add a little extra layer. So I'm really happy with this one. I think it's super cute and it's so soft. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so I'm trying on the shorts, and they're from Marcie and Spruce, and I like them. They fit me in the waist, which is always a little bit tricky, and the hips, and I'm going on my tiptoes here. It passes that finger test. Do you remember, like in school, if you your shorts couldn't be shorter than your fingertips, or maybe it was just my school, I don't know. But they fit that. And I'm finding as I get older that that's kind of a good rule of thumb for shorts for me, because I just don't like them to be too short. I feel uncomfortable. But these are super comfortable. I'm sitting down, they're comfortable. Standing up, they're comfortable. I think that they look okay kind of all over. I'm not sure if I'm in love with this print. If you can kind of see, it's, I don't know, it's floral. And normally I love colorful prints. This one, I don't know, it kind of reminds me a little bit of upholstery. It's really cute, but I'm just not sure it's necessarily my style. But yeah, all right, let's see what's next. Okay, now I'm trying on the denim shorts from Dear John, and I really like them. They're a little bit shorter than the other ones, but not too short. If you can kind of see, they come down, they almost pass the finger test. But pretty close. They're comfortable to sit down in. They're comfortable to walk around in. I like they're cuffed, so I like that little detail on them. And I really like that they fit me in the waist. One of the things that I am loving about Stitch Fix is that the clothes that they have tend to fit me. So you put in enough sizing stuff in there, and it tells me like they know my waist size, they know my hip size, and what brands fit me really well. And I really appreciate that, because most of the pants, when I give them the right size, fit me perfectly. And so I really appreciate that. So these are the shorts again. I think that they feel really good and comfortable. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so I am trying on the white dress, and it is really pretty. It's just not for me. I have little kids, and I get nervous anytime I wear anything white, and this is definitely something I can just imagine getting ketchup and all kinds of sauces all over immediately as soon as I put it on. But it's really pretty, and it kind of makes me think of like if somebody was doing like a beach wedding or something. This would make a really pretty wedding gown. But I like it. It's just okay. Here's kind of like the back and the front. I don't know. For me, there's nothing really special about it. It's a pretty dress, but I don't know. I just don't think it's that flattering for me. It would look really good on somebody else. It's just not for me. All right, let's move on. All right, so my final item is the Lily Pulitzer striped dress, and I love it. It is so soft and comfortable and cozy. Kind of makes me think like I'm wearing like loungewear. And it's even got the little thumb holes. I've got a bunch of Lululemon sweatshirts that have the same little thumb hole on them. And it's just nice. I don't know, it just makes me feel extra cozy. But I think it's really cute. It looks like a hoodie, but it's not a hoodie. And I always think that that's kind of fun because then I don't have to worry about my hair. You know, like it's kind of weird when you have a hood on and your hair is down. So here is the rest of the dress. It's got little pockets here. It's perfect for a cell phone. And I like that it comes down, it probably comes down just above my knee. And I like it. I think it's super cute. I think it would totally go with leggings or even with maybe like a skinny pair of jeans if I was to wear this outside of summer. But during the summer months, I think it's great. Super easy just to throw on. It's just really cozy and comfortable and definitely kind of like the ultimate coastal loungewear. And I feel pretty put together. So I really like it. All right, well that's everything in my July Stitch Fix box. I did ask for things that had that coastal nautical vibe, and I think my stylist totally delivered. I'm definitely excited to see what she brings for my August Stitch Fix box next month. But right now I'm super happy. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix, be sure to use my my referral code, and you'll get $25 off your first box. So it's a perfect time to just to try it out for the first time. If you, no matter what the past few months have looked like for you, you may have changed shapes a little bit, sizes a little bit. You may have kind of wanted to reinvent your wardrobe. If you did a huge purge, I know I definitely did a big purge of some clothes. And then I realized the clothes that I do like, and then I want to get a few more of those. And I want to get just things to kind of brighten it up a little bit. And we're spending a lot of time at home, and sometimes just putting on something that makes me feel extra cozy or extra cute can make a world of difference. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.